Have you ever stopped to wonder what the world looks like through your dog's eyes? Can they see colors the way we do? Are their eyes sharper or blurrier than ours? Dogs see the world differently, and their vision is tailored to their needs as hunters and companions. In this video, we'll count down 10 fascinating facts about how dogs view their surroundings. Stick around to discover the surprising way your furry friend experiences the world. Number 1 might completely change how you understand your dog. 10. Dogs don't see the world in black and white. Many people believe dogs see only in black and white, but that's a myth. Dogs do see colors, though their vision is limited compared to humans. Humans have 3 types of color receptors in their eyes, enabling us to see a wide range of colors. Dogs, however, have only 2 types of receptors. This means they see the world in shades of blue and yellow, but colors like red and green appear as shades of gray or brown. For example, if you throw a red ball onto green grass, your dog might struggle to distinguish the ball from its surroundings. Choosing toys in colors they can see, like blue or yellow, makes it easier for them to play and interact. Understanding this small detail about their vision can improve how you engage with your dog. 9. Dogs have better peripheral vision than humans. Dogs have better peripheral vision than humans due to the positioning of their eyes on the sides of their heads. This anatomical feature allows them to see up to 250 degrees compared to the 180-degree field of vision humans have. The exact range varies by breed, with some dogs having an even wider scope. This ability gives dogs an edge in spotting movement or changes in their surroundings, particularly in their peripheral vision. However, this advantage comes with a trade-off. Dogs have weaker depth perception compared to humans. This can lead to misjudging distances, such as missing a ball during play. The reduced depth perception stems from their eyes being farther apart, which limits the overlap in their field of vision. Despite this limitation, dogs' wide field of vision is a key survival trait passed down from their wild ancestors. It helps them detect potential threats or prey more effectively, an essential skill in the wild. Even in domestic settings, this heightened awareness often makes dogs excellent guardians. Whether they're watching over their surroundings or reacting to subtle movements, a dog's peripheral vision is a fascinating adaptation that reflects its evolutionary roots. 8. Dogs are experts at detecting motion. One of a dog's greatest visual strengths is detecting motion. Even the slightest movement can catch their attention, which is why your dog might bark at a leaf blowing in the wind or notice a squirrel climbing a tree far away. This motion sensitivity is a trait passed down from wolves, who needed to detect moving prey to survive. This ability also explains why dogs excel at activities like fetch or agility courses, where spotting and reacting to moving objects is key. So the next time your dog notices something you didn't even see, remember, they're hardwired to spot motion quickly and efficiently. 7. Dogs see better in the dark than humans. Have you ever wondered why your dog seems to navigate so easily in the dark? Dogs have excellent night vision, much better than ours. This is thanks to the rod cells in their eyes, which are more sensitive to low light than the cone cells that detect color. They also have a special reflective layer behind their retina, called the tapetum lucidum. This layer reflects light back through the retina, enhancing their ability to see in dim conditions. The tapetum lucidum is also the reason your dog's eyes sometimes glow when light hits them at night. This adaptation makes dogs well-suited for low-light environments, an essential trait for their nocturnal hunting ancestors. 6. Dogs are nearsighted. While dogs are excellent at detecting motion and seeing in the dark, their overall vision is not as sharp as ours. Most dogs are considered nearsighted, with an average visual acuity of 20/75. This means they see distant objects less clearly than we do. For instance, what a human can see clearly at 23 meters, a dog needs to be within 6 meters to see with the same clarity. This is one reason dogs rely so heavily on their sense of smell and hearing to identify things at a distance. They can detect scents and sounds much more precisely than their eyes can identify faraway objects. 5. Dogs struggle with fine details. Dogs' vision is more about the big picture than the small details. Because of their limited visual acuity, they don't pick up on fine details like humans do. For example, they may not notice subtle patterns or small objects unless there's a strong contrast in color or size. This is why dogs often use their noses to confirm what their eyes see. If you've ever watched your dog sniff around before picking up a toy, it's because their sense of smell helps fill in the gaps their vision might miss. 4. Different breeds see the world differently. Not all dogs have the same visual abilities. The shape and position of a dog's eyes can vary greatly between breeds, affecting their field of vision and focus. Sighthounds, like greyhounds or whippets, have long noses and wide-set eyes, giving them exceptional long-distance vision. Meanwhile, brachycephalic breeds like pugs or bulldogs have a narrower field of vision due to their flat faces. Understanding your dog's breed can provide insight into their unique visual strengths and weaknesses. For example, a herding breed might excel at spotting movement, while a lapdog might rely more on smell and touch to interact with their environment. 3. Dogs combine sight and smell. Dogs don't rely solely on their vision to understand the world. Instead, they combine their sight with their exceptional sense of smell to make sense of their surroundings. For instance, a dog might see a moving object in the distance, but won't fully identify it until they catch its scent. This combination of senses makes dogs incredibly effective at tasks like tracking, hunting, or even recognizing their owners from a distance. It's also why they can navigate so well, even in unfamiliar places. 2. Dogs don't perceive screens like we do. Have you ever noticed your dog ignoring the TV or showing little interest in your phone screen? That's because dogs process images differently from humans. Older TVs with lower refresh rates might appear as flickering lights to dogs due to their higher sensitivity to flicker. Modern TVs with higher refresh rates are easier for them to perceive, which is why some dogs now show interest in pet-friendly videos or animal shows. Even so, dogs are more attuned to sound and movement than static images. If your dog reacts to a show, it's likely the combination of movement and noise catching their attention. 1. Dogs recognize you in their own way. Dogs are incredibly skilled at recognizing familiar faces, but they don't rely solely on sight to do so. They use a combination of visual cues, scent, and even body language to identify people. This means your dog doesn't just recognize your face, they associate your entire presence, including how you smell and move, with you. This unique way of recognizing individuals explains why dogs often react strongly to their owners, even if they're far away. Their ability to combine different senses makes their recognition abilities incredibly powerful and reliable. Dogs see the world in ways that are both different and fascinating. Their vision may not match ours in detail or color, but it's perfectly adapted to their needs. From detecting motion to navigating in the dark, their unique abilities help them thrive in their environment. Understanding how your dog sees the world can strengthen your bond and help you communicate better with them. If you enjoyed learning about your dog's vision, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with fellow dog lovers, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the amazing world of dogs. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.